Hello and welcome back to HUD Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix no HUD issue on Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I have no idea how much health points I have. I will go to this secret area here. I have barely no idea how much health I have, how far can I even fight, and does it die in hits, but I have no idea how much damage I actually took. So, in order to fix that, you want to simply head into the options menu, then go into options, hit game, and you will notice that technically we do have HUD appearance currently being set to small. Well, actually, it's a lie. If we go and switch it, and then switch it back, you can see our HUD appearing again. As you can see, alternatively we can just reset on the game if it's set, if it is disabled, then we can just restart the game. That's back. And now I can go back with fighting with this guy because now I know how much health I have. Anyway, that's all for this video. Found it useful? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.